What's up, everyone? Welcome to Campbell's Coins. I hope you guys are having a great Monday. I wanted to highlight a very unique individual within the Stacker community. His Instagram is Stacker Prints. What he does is he creates designs, he will manipulate designs, and he'll print them on very high quality paper like you see before you. And he also takes that design and he screen prints it onto t-shirts, and he has a variety of t-shirts available in different colors, different designs, and he will be having more designs coming out in the future. But I just wanted to show you kind of what the quality that he puts out. I have little post-its because it's just covering up some of his personal information. He wanted to remain very anonymous, so if you want to reach out to him, go on your Instagram, look up Stacker Prints, and check out this tiger. And then I'm assuming that's him. But very high quality paper used on these. This one right here is actually one of my favorites. It's still in its laminate, but very high quality paper. You could easily frame this and use it as some sort of background or hang it up on your wall if you wanted. T-shirts. He makes very nice high quality t-shirts. I bought one, and full disclosure, he sent me this stuff you see in front of you he sent this to me for free. He didn't expect a video out of this. He was just saying, hey, thanks for the video that you did before. Appreciate it. And so I just wanted to highlight the things that he does. He and I were chatting, and he's going to be doing some designs and coming out with some art bars and coins. So stay tuned for those. I do not have the designs of those or what those will possibly look like, so I wish I could kind of give you a sneak peek here, but I do not have them yet. But if you go to his page, he might start having some sneak peeks coming out. Anyways, that's going to do it for me. I just wanted to highlight Stacker Prints with this video. Go to his Instagram, check him out. If you find the quality of the t-shirts, if you like the design, go ahead and buy one from him. They're fairly cheap. I think this one was like $15 or $17, maybe $18. Very reasonable. It's a nice quality shirt. It's not one of those where it's too short and then very baggy. I'm a very tall individual and I'm fairly slender, so I don't like those like extra larges that are 4 feet off to the side. I prefer something that's tall. He makes very high quality, or uses very high quality shirts with his designs, so A+ there, and very appreciative. Anyways, that's gonna do it for me. Check out this guy's page. He does really good work. If you like it, purchase something from him. I'm sure he'll enjoy that. Get those small businesses going. Thank you all so much for watching. This is Campbell's Coins, and that is my 2 cents.